Kyabazinga. Congratulate Kyabazinga olw'okuwasa. Naye Museveni yakifiiriddemu. Government yakifiiriddemu Kyabazinga. I'm telling you.
Ate Museveni afiira mu mbaga ya Kyabazinga.
Anti yagenzeeyo. Teri politician agaana mukolo gw'amaanyi. Museveni yazaawo traditional leaders. Unless singa ekipulaninga bulungi. Yali badde ali bweru. Era baali kikyusizza. Ano man abaganda baga nti obukadde buzaala enge. Enge unprovoked anger. Museveni bamubye busooka ne bamugjayo.
Nina nabyo muwozi gyali. Owamu yabadde. Nabyo bajja.
Ku reception. Bw'aba yabadde ku reception. This was official. Reception means ebyo si bya political bya mukwano. Kitegedde. Museveni teyabaddeyo. Nasindika omukazi ono atalina diplomacy. Bad man drives a good man away. Museveni yatugoba ne tugenda abalina brain. Let me tell you, why should the vice president tell the public, the gallery, he dictated this on the phone? Usually, he writes a document. No, the vice president.
Yes.
Yes, it is an idiot. Museveni yes, it is an idiot. What was important was not how the message was packaged. The woman humiliated these people. Why? The Baganda say, where there is a cripple, you don't follow the finger. Why did this woman explain? Museveni, you're going to narrate every mongwa. Why did the vice president explain that this is a dictation? How do we know that where ears are collected? Was it warranted? Museveni, oye! Museveni, oye! Museveni, Jew! We are took over. Bad man drives a good man away to Aduka. There was no reason why the vice president could tell the public this is dictation on the phone. On the phone. Is it a message on the phone?
No.
Do they know? Do these people who attended the wedding know the normal practice of the president?
No.
She went ahead and explained. Normally, right. Museveni abajja mukubeeki. Yatugoba. Ate tukyadda. Tusinja kudda mu bujozi. Tutunia ng'okola naabo. Ekyuma ekipya bwe kiteeka mu mmotoka mu byuma ebika kyo kyekyonooneka. Tusinza kubeera n'abantu bafaanana bati. Tamanyi public relations at all. The president was the wedding shiriki into Uganda society as a snake?
No.
No.
There
was no way.
One was knowledge.
Yes. It's not death. If Kyabazinga had died, Museveni would have an excuse of dictating on the phone. Why do you reveal that he dictated on the phone? No loving, no loving puta. Ataba abakazi obalaba abo. Bonna Museveni baleese tebalina public relations. Why do you mention? Who has challenged the speech you are reading?
Bulijjo byakulagira nga totubuulira abiyisaawa.
Naye Museveni bano yabajjawo. Yatugoba. Bad man drives a good man away. Twadduka. Tulikolera muhoozi. The Muhoozi's government will be perfect. Kagame's government is better than Museveni's government. Yeyigira kuona.
Bajja kusiba okuwaana eggwanga eddala.
No.
Mu ggwanga lino.
I'm an intellectual. Kakati ekyo kimu. The vice president killed the function.
Messed up the message. 2.
The deputy speaker. The deputy speaker would say, I'm standing here on behalf of my boss. Was the deputy speaker invited? Katika solito omumanyi yekatuukiro. Kuba yakola mu government omanyi balowooza. Bw'obeera mu government nga civil servant n'obeera nga oli mu ebyo ebya feudalism tikikuyamba. No. I'm popular. I'm strong. An attachment I don't have in fact, if you want to involve me in feudalistic things, I don't accept. To be ruled by gangs, kakati uyukatukiro yakufudde kubanga akola mu government mu planning authority. How can you a katikiro, the chief organizer, fail to invite the speaker? Yali kutene card, singa soma public relations, yali kutte card, na jitwale wa speaker. Speaker nabagamba, I'm going to send who? My deputy. Uyewede. Yegalise. Embaga ya Kyabazinga. Casualties. No government in Lumumba. Gondi yabaddeyo Prime Minister. Why? Lumumba okola mu Prime Minister's office. It means mutemuli kiringako. Functions, death, unite enemies. Nzabana bano avanjozi tumwebaza nafiirwa kitaawe. I can send condolences. Nga simwagalira ko ddala. The person I hate munsi is tumwebaza Frank. Numunu wagalubini. Yes, baba munyabunyiza nnyo ne batakaliya yange ne kokola chiko sokola ndo z'abantu ke kasokola ke kanereka mu ke kokola paka lwenka kubyo katuusa wa. Mangwe tekubwa. I'm going to explain. Katategedde ekirala.
Nti bali badde by inviting.
Yes.
Speaker of Parliament.
Yes.
I think ye muntu
Speaker of Parliament ne bwaganti nze those political bickering. Nze mama Busoga. Nze mama ki?
Nze mama Busoga.
Ekiti kibagana ku mukolo. And it too, I want to tell you. There is a delegation from Kampala to incite bali bakabaka abalala. Today, Miso bwe kugamba towakana. Kyabazinga will never have peace. I'm telling you.
Yakawasa.
A wedding and a coronation and acceptance are three different things. Has it been recognized by the other? Kubabu Soga, Eringa Emirate. I'm telling you. Olutalo olwabaluse ku mpaka ya Kyabazinga ne Kyabazinga talumanyi. In fact, kankubuli, there are times nze bwe nkola emikolo ewange situla mu ntebe.
Lwaki?
Nze ngaba ebintu. Kyabazinga would have taken a card to Museveni. Kyabazinga is being alienated from Museveni. The anti-Museveni group took over Kyabazinga's wedding organization.
But there was Kadaga there. I think Kadaga is
Kadaga is an injured bull. Olaba yakkiriza muti mwakitegedde. Mwategedde nti ono deputy speaker eyase Kadaga atulazitinge ku vice president. Okimanyi deputy speaker ne Kadaga bali mu kampu emu nga balondoolanya. Museveni asulusi Busoga. Ate abasoga bakambwe ffe mu byafaayo bya Uganda kasitolo bekivudde Busoga omukulembeze tabeerawo. Waliwo endiga nga bagibagedde bali yonna yatambula okuyingira mu Kampala nga eva Busoga. I'm telling you.
Ebusoga wazibu.
Muwanga bwe bali bagenda nga gavumenti yegenda okuvaako ekidaala kyamukubira e Busoga. Ekidaala
nga mwali
obete omusajja gwamufutula e Busoga. Museveni afubutuse e Busoga. Nenkubuli. It was the biggest mistake of President Museveni not to attend. He normally comes now overshadowing our enemies.
Of course.
When they were organizing the last funeral rites of Beni Chiwangu, Museveni spent a week in Masaka. He ended up being what?
Yes.
Now deflating a Democratic Party. Ebusoga kyamulemi.
Ebusoga yakifiiriddemu.
Government has lost in
ewali Kadaga
wamwe kumwahumiliatinga kudu Kadaga translate ulira a former speaker to translate for the deputy speaker.
No.
Bangi anzala nalabye deputy speaker nga mubikoninga maya bange naye abasajja bano balemu ebyobufuzi abasajja bano kyobalaba nabavaamu ku nsimu kabuli ne mu ggulu sirikolaganako nabo tebasobola kukyuka no kuba Kyabazinga yagudde and there are many people Kyabazinga was not happy. Any political strategist will not be happy. The biggest victim is going to be the Katukiro
of Busoga.
Unless, because some things are not remendable. If the deputy speaker said, I'm here representing the speaker, 200 MPs attended against 250. A division of parliament. Very dangerous. For us, it is dangerous. It will be reflected everywhere. Museveni Chajja Kuholu, once the center disintegrates, things fall apart. Jinja Yiganga Kamut. Ayani, Nino Wiri. The Museveni Bamu forces of Okugenda, Ugarimu Gwanga, the Bamu Kubai, the Bamu Dusemi Shinti, Naduka. Museveni had to say kumbaga yaje to say najite jigenda ku ye mutabani we muwozi was easy
yes namulabye mfananyi
bwaba yabadde mukwano gwe kubanga ino okumanya tiono Kyabazinga bali bamujjeko bali munana abalonda electoral college yabantu akasajja kabakeje kaseboa n'obusiru bwako Kyabazinga bamujje so Kyabazinga bali abakabaka balawa balabyeyo a wedding ate ne kazimba ayononye kanisa abasiyazi bakazimba omwogolo kazimba yadusi enemerembe wakulemye eruwere wakulemye otukira nakangabala oyino kakangabalamu nakangabala abasiyazi bamule
omugogo gwade gwakugatta
anti kyenkubuuliza
ayada inogatta
abagolo mumuloza sina bizibu mu family yange mulowooza nina abavocate kayudoyo nkatirawo mumuloza sina baana batasoma I have children who have never seen good schools olw'omuko okunyamu ogenda muwuliranga ayogera akatambi nakano kataba ne kakaji akazunzendo. I have children who have not gone to school. I have embarrassing stories in my family. Why have I maintained them? The internal mechanism. You must be a diplomat. The Katuntu yalabise wamulabye Katuntu wa speaker. Deputy speaker yalowooza nti can popularize nekadaga bwe yakola against second tazika second takola ki but second knew his role. In fact, what pains me, kadaga bamugoba kuba speaker ng'omuko agamba tiyampase nekyove omuko bawanekyobe yanga nti have been poisoned. Why? Bawanekyobe yali w'amaanyi nnyo muhere enseno baana mwe we mutuuse mwali evumi kubanga mukyali mu gavumenti ya Museveni gyemutunyeddemu nemutunyalamu nemutunyamu nemunyemba alukwako nemunyembu baka kakabusinga kadduka misingi bakabambula omutwe kakulu yakabulanga enziku. The wedding went ahead very well, but it opened up politically Museveni bamukubidde Busoga bambenadduka kankovolise omusajja bamuyita Basoga Nsado. Basoga Nsado was a minister of information. Omusiki. He was coming from Musiki. He was killed by ages. A very intelligent man. I used to interact with him. Basoga Nsado wanted to marry a woman like the Kyabazinga. Nga ino omukazi omuki omulala. What did they do? Basoga Nsado selected a team of 10 people. Nayenga Basoga Nsado as the Minister of Information aganye okutunda new vision kubanga the guidelines Museveni issued the guidelines. Anybody who dies must be buried. A government parastatal that is not making a must be sold. kakati basoka asatu nalemera kuki kozi nagenda ne banne bagala bagigule ate bali gisudde ngono mono bagisudde eri ku handout from government tayina kyokoze mbunze bantu
bamuteekayo
tayina signing a document understanding the chi Omukolo yali alowooza mbu asobola kuntwala mu new prison anjoge ngono mutodi nemukuba ne mujjayo tokati new prison nswera amazzi mi
nokkiriza ebyo
kino katoti bikamba baka twe nkuba obwavu emyaka 10. The only thing Museveni can give him, there are two. If Museveni hears what I'm saying, there are two. 3. 1, I want to leave State House in a dignified manner. Sikunjoga. Ngo yang humiliating. No mukuru wa Museveni bamujuza, but he didn't kill me. But the facts are here. Akakaza akali mu meeting. You know. Akagamba babukedde nti ndi mulalu Museveni nyina wakasiba kunjegere meya ayimukama otenderezebwe Katonda w'eggulu ayimukama otenderezebwe